helicopters are unique in themselves. People think helicopters is like, wow, I can get anywhere, go any place, and it's true, you can. COVID-19 has affected so many areas of all of our lives. Marriages and marriage ceremonies, receptions, they're all canceled. We can't get together. Well, now you can. We can offer weddings with a helicopter to get into a unique area and provide just such an unbelievable experience. And additionally to that, the live feed into all parts of the world, and perhaps the very people that you wanted as part of your wedding originally can now attend. And there's no risk of infection. There's only a good side to this whole thing. If you think about it, you've already planned the finances, you've already planned the date, you've already planned all of that. Well, this is an option, and it's a great option. You can do this, and you can include a lot of people along with it as well, and still put that stamp on, wow, we had an awesome time. The way we can do this isn't just because we have a helicopter. We actually make sure that we are adhering to all of Transport Canada COVID-19 regulations, and that includes disinfecting all of the surfaces, everything in the aircraft, so everybody wears a mask in accordance with Transport Canada regulations. We've gone one step further. We have now installed ozone air purification systems in each aircraft after the end of each flight, whereby it actually purifies the entire inside of the aircraft. And there is nothing that's not touched. Everything is affected. And so you can rest assured that our aircraft, our people, our personnel are safe, it's clean, there is no risk of infection whatsoever. And so we want to make sure that our flying public is confident in what we're bringing to them.